Hello guys, hope you're fine, doing great. So in this video, we will learn about how to create product targeting campaign for using sponsored product. So in product targeting campaign, we can instead of keywords, we can target product categories, individual ASINs, brands, and refine category targeting as well based on price, rating, and prime eligibility as well. We can target a competitor ASIN as well. So we can target any brand as well. So that's so in this way we will learn about how we can uh, do that. Okay, so in the same way, I need to add a group name. Add group name, hair towel, sponsor product. It's not auto campaign. I will add a product targeting campaign. So T will represent that product targeting campaign. So I will add the product and I will choose the manual targeting because I'm wanting to target product. So and product targeting comes under the manual targeting. So I will choose the product targeting here. Okay, so in the product targeting, I can choose the categories and products. So I am seeing two options: individual products. I can target individual products, and this is the expanded word as well, and the exact as well. So I can uncheck as well. If I want to target only the exact relevant products, I will use this one only. Okay, we were talking about expanded product targeting in under the individual products targeting, expanding targeting. Basically, it's an optional match type that allows Amazon algorithm to automatically broaden your reach. When you target a specific ASIN or category, enabling these features allow your ads to appear on the tail page of substitute and complementary items. So it's like substitute and complement. Substitute showing your item on alternative page listings and showing your ad on a product that are frequently bought together. So in if when you will be doing only the exact targeting, your ads will appear only on the for the exact hair towel listing. When you will be doing the expanded targeting listing, your ads will appear on the other closely match listing as well. So if you have any specific ASIN you want to target in that individual products, you can target that as well. Like if you have a top 10 competitor ASIN you want to target them, you can enter that list here, and you can easily target them. Let's say for example, this is an ASIN. Any example, any product you can take like so I'm going to take this ASIN as an just example to show you. So I can add an ASIN here and it will target like this. The number of ASIN you have, you can target here, your competitors in the individual products. If you have a lot of like more than 10, 50, 60 ASIN, you can download the CSV template from here, fill out that and re-upload here. And then if in the categories, you can target the categories but there will be three different type of bid, yeah, that you can target, like suggested bid, custom bid, and default bid as well. And you can refine the category further as well. This is here drawing towels category. You can, if you can, I can click on add it here. If I click add, it will get complete ad targeting. Complete category will get target, and Amazon showing that the products 1400 to 2300 product will show up in this range. In if I you can refine it as well. I can refine it like you can refine in the refined targeting. You can target specific brands you want to target. Uh, you can create separate campaign just for brands only, and you can target specific price range as well. Like if your product price is $29 and you want to target higher price items to those sellers who are selling at higher price as compared to you, you can target those as well. Like if you are selling at 29.9, you can enter a price range like minimum price range 29.9. So it will target all the prices higher than the 29.9. So this is for the price and price targeting, refining. You can do that. In the same way, you can do refined targeting for product reviews as if you want to target all the sellers whose rating is less than yours. So you can target like uh, 5 under 4 targeting as well under 4-star. So you can see the product target numbers range as well. I mean, you can target this is shipping all, and if you can want to select Prime, it will show them, and but it will decrease the number of products target. That's how you can define the category as well. Like you can define in the category define targeting. You can select specific brands. You can target higher price sellers. You can targeting based on reviews, and you can based on shipping as well. So that's how you can further define your targeting. It's all based upon your strategy and how you are going to target it. So for this, let's say simply add it, and then if you have any negative keyword targeting, you can add here. If you have any negative product targeting, you can enter to have any. You can exclude any brands you don't want to target. You don't want your ads appear on that brands. You don't want your ads to appear on specific ASINs. You can upload the list here. Campaign bidding strategy, same as we discussed in the last videos. I would prefer to use it with dynamic down only, and placements. Uh, Placement in the same way, Amazon has 3 product placement for the ads, top of search, rest of search, and product pages. For the campaign name, I can import the same ad group name as I am only targeting one category, so I will be keeping the same ad group name here as well. You can keep same name in there, and then start and set a budget. I'll keep that, and then click on launch campaign. And if you can even come save as draft campaign as well if you don't wanna launch them right now. So that's how you create product targeting campaign.